Hello students, welcome in 11th Computer Science. Student, we started with the chapter Logic Gate from CS2 for 11th standard. Now, next part is Universal Building Block Gate. Now, student, in this video we are going to learn Universal Building Block Gate. What is the function of Universal Gate? Okay. See, if NAND gate and NOR gate, both gates are called as Universal Building Block Gate. NAND and NOR gate, these gates are called as Universal Building Block Gate. Why these two gates are called as Universal Building Block Gate? Because using these two gates, we can create all other basic gates or derived gates. Okay, means using either NAND or NOR gate, we can build OR gate, AND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate or NOT gate. Okay, so because of this reason, NAND gate is called as Universal Building Block Gate. Construction of all gates are possible by using one or many NAND gates. So, in this lecture, I am going to explain how to construct NOT, AND, NOR and OR gate using NAND gate. You can using more than one NAND gate. How to create other gate? Now we will see in this lecture. Okay. First, so what is NAND gate? What is NAND gate? NAND gate means NOT gate plus AND gate. Okay. NAND gate means NOT gate plus AND gate. Now see, before going to construct NOT gate, follow the truth table first. This is the truth table of NAND gate. See here. 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay. What is the logic statement of NAND gate? If A is true, see here, if A is true, B is true, then Y is false. Means when input A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then output Y is equal to 0. Okay. See, in this case also, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then output Y is equal to 1. Okay, so we can make NOT gate by using NAND because what is the truth table of NOT gate? What is the truth table of NOT gate? Now see here. If you are having a single input, okay, if you are having a single input for NOT gate, means if 0 is passed, output is 1 and 1 is passed, output is 0. So, see, short A and B input and make it single input A. Okay, if using NAND gate. Now see, symbol of NOT gate. See here, if in this NOT gate, if 0 is passed here, what is the output? 1. And if 1 is passed, then what is the output? 0. Okay. So, we can short both inputs for NAND gates. Okay. Now, what is the symbol of NAND gate? What is the symbol of NAND gate? See here, this is the symbol of NAND gate. Okay, this is the symbol of NAND gate. Now, in this symbol, there are separate two inputs, 1 and 2. Okay, this is a 1 and 2. These are separate inputs, but I want to build NOT gate. So for NOT gate only one input is there. So build NOT gate using this NAND gate. So A and B, these both inputs are short and make one input. See here. For in NAND gate, these two inputs are short, then make one inputs. Okay, means convert this NAND gate to NOT gate. Means then join these two inputs. It should act like a single input. Okay, student. Now see, if in this build gate using new construction using NAND gate, create NOT gate. See, if here 0 is passed, okay. If both inputs are short, make one input. This one input pass 0. Then here 0 are passed. In this input also 0. Then what is the output? 1 is there. Okay. If 1 is passed, okay, then this one also both 1. These both inputs are having 1 and output is 0. Okay. Means see here in NOT gate 0 is passed, 1 is output. Here 0 is passed, 1 is output. 1 is passed, 0 is output. 1 is passed, 0 is output. Okay, means it is equivalent to NOT gate. Okay, it is equivalent to NOT gate. Understood, student? How to construct NOT gate using NAND gate. Both inputs A and B are short, make one input. It acts like a NOT gate. Okay, so NOT gate is equivalent to NAND gate. Okay, this is a construction using NAND gate. Okay, this is original NOT gate and this is a built NAND gate. Okay, means equivalent to NOT gate. Understood? Now next gate is AND gate. Now student, for AND gate using NAND gate means create AND gate. What is the Boolean equation of AND gate? A dot B. Okay, A dot B. This is a Boolean equation for AND gate. Now we create this AND gate using NAND gate. Now see here, what is the adjustment in NAND gate? That's why NAND gate and AND gate. Okay, NAND gate and AND gate. NAND gate means not plus AND gate. NAND gate means not plus AND gate. Now see, this Boolean equation A dot B bar. Okay, first NAND gate, here always remember not plus AND gate. Okay, now according to bar, see here, according to bar, if double bar is there, A equal to A dot B. Okay, this is the rule. If double bar, their original as it is. Okay, double bar gets deleted. Now NAND gate not plus AND. Now see here, NOT gate and AND gate. Okay, this is a NAND gate, but this is a NOT gate. Now for NOT gate, just we can see here, this is a new construction for NOT gate. Now this symbol use for this instead of this NOT gate, because NOT plus AND. Okay, but see here, input A first NAND gate is joined. Here instead of NOT, construction NAND gate is construction NOT gate is joined. Okay, this is a construction of NOT gate and this is a NAND gate. So it gets AND gate equation. See here, suppose here A is passed. Okay, B is passed. What is the output here? A dot B bar. Okay, now this input pass through this gate, then double bar, what is the output? A dot B. If double bar means final output is A dot B, and this is the equation of AND gate. Got it, student? Okay, understood? How to construct means this total circuit used for AND gate. Okay. Now next is build or construct NOR gate using NAND gate. Construct NOR gate using NAND gate. Now student, in this NOR gate, okay, how to construct symbol or a Boolean equation, okay, NOR gate, because symbol is totally different of both gates. Means in NOR gate, this is the symbol of NOR gate, and NAND gate is totally different. NOR gate plus sign is there, NAND gate dot is sign there. Okay, means both symbol also Boolean equation are totally different. So NOR gate symbol, this is a NOR gate symbol. Okay, and NAND gate symbol, this is a NAND gate symbol. Okay, and this is a NOR gate symbol. Now using, so how will there is similarity between two gate? So we have to use De Morgan's theorem first. Okay, De Morgan's first theorem. What is the statement of De Morgan's theorem? First theorem, bubbled AND gate is equivalent to NOR gate. Okay, bubbled AND gate is equivalent to NOR gate. See here, this is the first theorem of De Morgan's. Bubbled AND gate, this is the AND gate, is equivalent to NOR gate. Okay, so here we can't create NOR gate, but at least we can create the bubbled AND gate, because we can use NAND gate. See here, creating a, so using NAND gate we have create bubbled AND gate. We can't create NOR gate, but we can create AND gate, bubbled AND gate. Okay, so here see in this diagram, and creating bubbled gate we can prove that NOR gate by De Morgan's theorem. See here, this is a bubbled AND gate. Bubbled means which gates are used? NOT gate is used for bubbled. Okay, NOT gate is used. Bubbled means what? NOT you have to pass in both inputs. You can see here. Here for one input NOT gate is attached, second input also NOT gate is attached. Okay, means it is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. Okay, it is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. It is known as bubbled AND gate. Understood, student? So using this De Morgan's first theorem, we can create this NOR gate. Okay, now create according to De Morgan's theorem. According to De Morgan's theorem, this is a NOR gate symbol, this is the bubbled AND gate symbol. Okay, now see here, for this bubbled AND gate we can use NOT gate. First NOT gate here attached, second NOT gate, one NOT gate here attached, and except this NOT gate, remaining is AND gate. Okay, remaining is AND gate. Understood, student? How to construct this bubbled AND gate? For bubbled, here NOT gate is used, and see, forget this bubble now. The remaining, what is the remaining part? It is similar to AND gate. Okay, so two NOT gates and one AND gate. It is equivalent to NOR gate. Now how to construct this symbol using NAND gate? Now just construct this symbol using NOT and AND gate. Okay, now see, just now saw in AND gate or NOT gate, if double bar is there, then cancel both bar, get only A dot B. Clear? Same way here, A plus B double bar is equal to A plus B. Okay, so here NOR plus NOT is equal to, now see here, first construct this gate, NOT and AND gate. Now see, for NOT gate we can construct NAND gate. What is the symbol? This new symbol for NOT gate using NAND gate. And what is the AND gate circuit? This is for AND gate circuit. Now student, wherever used for construction using NAND gate, then at that time you can utilize these NOT gate symbol and AND gate symbol. Now see here, both here NOT gate and remaining is AND gate. Now first two NOT gates using this symbol. Okay. Now what is the final circuit for NOR gate? See here. One, this is for one NOT gate, this is for another NOT gate. Okay. And this is totally is AND gate. And this is the final circuit for totally NOR gate. Okay. This is one circuit, this is another circuit for NOT gate, and this is completely for AND gate. Okay. Now if A and B is passed here, what is the output here? A bar, here B bar. Okay. Now A bar, B bar pass here, then A dot B bar, A bar dot B bar, the bar. Okay. Now again pass this output for this NAND gate. Then what is the output, final output here? Double bar A bar dot B bar. Okay. Now using De Morgan's theorem, NOR gate is equivalent to bubble AND gate, means A bar dot B bar is equal to A plus B bar. Okay. Now put this value in this equation. A bar dot B bar, right here double bar, instead of A bar dot B bar, right here A plus B bar. Now if double bar is there, what is the output? Double bar get cancelled, then just write A plus B bar. Now this is the equation of NOR gate. Understood? Then this is the totally circuit of NOR gate. Okay. These two NAND gates means NOT gate, and this is for AND gate. Understood how to construct NOR gate using NAND gate? Now next gate is OR gate using NAND gate. Now see in OR gate, just now saw in AND gate, if double bar is there, then cancel both bar. Get only A dot B. Clear? Same way here, if A plus B double bar, get A plus B. So how will get OR gate? NOR plus NOT. See here. OR gate, how to construct? NOR plus NOT. Okay. See here. For NOR gate, just see in previous slide how to construct NOR gate. This is the total circuit for NOR gate using NAND gate. So see here, this is a NOR gate circuit. Okay. Now NOT gate, this is the NOT gate circuit for using NAND gate. Okay. Now one thing is, remember student, in any circuit, if in continuously or sequentially NOT gate are joined, then cancel both NAND, that is NOT gate. Okay. One thing is, remember always, if any circuit means NOT gate is sequentially joined, then cancel both NOT gate. Okay. म्हणजे तुम्हाला जर सिक्वेन्स मध्ये सी, दिस इज अ symbol for means new construct using NAND gate. This is also NAND gate, or this is also NAND gate, that is NOT gate. Okay, means construction of NOT gate using NAND gate. This is one symbol, this is sequentially joined. Okay, see here plus sign. So if this sequentially, then cancel it. Okay, means neglect the both gates. Okay, just cancel it. इथे लक्षात, जर सिक्वेन्शियली नॉट गेट आले असतील, नॉट गेट म्हणजे कोणते, आपण जे आत्ता जस्ट कन्स्ट्रक्ट केले युजिंग नॅन्ड गेट. ओके, हे नॅन्ड गेट कन्स्ट्रक्ट केलेले नॉट गेट आहेत, हे जर सिक्वेन्शियली जॉईन झाले तर ते कॅन्सल होतात. ओके, देन व्हॉट इज द रिमेनिंग सर्किट, बिकॉज इट इज इन सिक्वेन्स अँड वी कॅन कट इट, सो वी कट इट, गॉट ओनली ऑर गेट. हे कट केलेत आपण कारण हे सिक्वेन्समध्ये आलेत. नाऊ व्हॉट इज द फायनल सर्किट ऑफ ऑर गेट? सी. कट दिस बोथ symbols. Okay. Now final OR gate, these are the OR gate circuit using NAND gate. Okay. Now just trace it. If A input is passed here, B input is passed here, then what is here output? A bar and here B bar. Now this is A bar, B bar, pass this A bar dot B bar bar. Okay. This is output. This passing this A bar, B bar. Now using De Morgan's theorem, A bar dot B bar is equal to A plus B bar. Okay. Now using this De Morgan's theorem, put here A bar dot B bar, here A plus B bar. Okay. Now double bar get cancel, got only A plus B, and this is the Boolean equation of OR gate. Understood, student? Okay. Now how to construct using NAND gate? We can construct first NOT gate, then AND gate, then NOR gate, and then OR gate. Student, first study NOR, then OR gate. Always remember. Okay. Understood all gates, how to construct basic gates using NAND gates. Now this is the assignment for you. Why NAND and NOR gate is called universal building block gate. Construct NOT gate, OR gate, NAND gate and AND gate using NOR gate. Okay. Now in this question, instead of NAND gate, right here NOR gate is used. Then construct these all gates. Okay, student. Now this is the end of this session 2. Thank you, student.